Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in US30. As usual, we'll be doing the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels for each time frame analysis, and also we'll be sharing the trend of the current market. Please use these levels and the trends for deciding on your entry and exit on your trades. Let us begin our analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, the highest it has gone was 36958 and the lowest it has gone was 32549. So current market is trading within this resistance and support levels for now, and it is on a sideways market in daily time frame. The green color line over here is a trend line or support lines for daily time frame, and current price action is trading above this trend line or support line. So the overall trend in daily time frame is still in a bullish trend but trading on a sideways. Only when the price action breaks this support line, we can say that the bearish trend reversal has started in daily time frame. And when we notice the current price action also, we have noticed it has formed a double bottom pattern and completed its double bottom pattern, and it is on a bearish trend reversal. But looking at the past price action, this level of 34181 had acted as a very strong support in the past, and currently the price action is taking support on this support level. So the present price action in daily time frame is on a sideways. And when we look at the overall trend of the market, I am drawing a trend line from here. It was on a very nice downtrend, taking resistance on this trend line, and currently the price action is taking support on this trend line. So this trend line, so as long as this support level of 34181 is holding, we can expect a bullish trend reversal to happen in daily time frame. For the bullish trend reversal to happen, it has to break the previous high of 35391. Until then, we can expect the range bound market to continue in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. As mentioned in the daily time frame also, the current price action in hourly time frame is also in a very nice downtrend, taking resistance at the hourly time frame trend line or resistance line. If the bearish trend continues, we can expect the price action to take support on the higher time frame support level of 34172. And if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 33867 from the daily time frame. But in the past, we have noticed this level of 34172 acting as a very strong support level. So we can expect the price action to take support on this support level and to bounce back on the bullish trend. As long as this resistance line is not broken, we can expect the consolidation to continue, and once this resistance level is broken, we can expect the directional momentum to start in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently, the price action is taking support at the support level of 34308. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. So I am in 30 minutes time frame now. In 30 minutes time frame, we have the green color resistance line from the hourly time frame, and I have drawn two more resistance line or support line for 30 minutes time frame also. In the past, the price action has respected this resistance line and took support on this support line and bounced back on the bullish trend reversal. Again, the price action respected this second level of resistance line, and currently the price action is in a bearish trend reversal. So I am expecting the price action to take support on this trend line or support line from 30 minutes time frame and to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. So as long as this support level and the resistance levels are not broken, we can expect a sideways market or a range bound market to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has taken resistance at the resistance level of 34327 and it is bouncing back on the bearish trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we notice the price action in 5 minutes time frame also, here we have the hourly time frame resistance line. From this resistance line we are noticing the bearish trend reversal and it has respected the 5 minutes time frame trend line or the resistance line and it is on a bearish trend reversal. Here we have the 30 minutes time frame trend line or support line, so we can expect the price action to take support on this 30 minutes time frame trend line and to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. Since this is a 5 minutes time frame, we can expect multiple trend in this time frame. Always stick to the higher time frame trends if you want to do swing trading. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is consolidating or moving on sideways within this resistance level of 34382 and support level of 34309. We have come to the end of this analysis. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.